Syntax of CSS. We already learned about the syntax of CSS. Consists of a special symbol known as rule. Okay, and rule has two main parts. One is a selector and other is a declaration. As selector we use HTML tag, and declaration part we use property and value of that particular tag. For example, here the color is a property and value is green for H1 tag. We can easily add CSS using Composer. Let us learn how to add CSS to web page in a Composer. Okay, now we practically do how to use CSS. I minimize this and open the Composer program. You all know we can make a CSS using the Composer. Okay, here is a Composer. Now see this. If there is no Composer icon, you can click on edit preferences and set the icon. Okay, now this is our criteria: font Times New Roman case, uppercase, alignment, center alignment, background color light blue, and border dotted border for H1 tag. Okay, now follow the step. First, open a new file. Okay, here we select heading 1. Here we select heading 1. Now CSS button situated on the composition toolbar. This is our composition toolbar. First toolbar is a composition toolbar. Click on this, give the page number, give the page title. Okay, and save the file. Now you can see the CSS style sheets. You can see the dialog box of CSS style sheet. Okay, now we select here H1 tag. Okay, select here from drop down list H1. You can select H2, H3, but I select H1. Create style rule. Okay, now H1 tag below in internal style sheet, in option under internal style sheet, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs. There are 7 tabs in CSS screen. First tab is text. Okay, you can select font family, unspecified, predefine. Okay, I click on predefine. Then you can see Times New Roman, Times Serif. Use custom font. You can select here custom font also, but now I select predefined Times New Roman font. You can select font size, large, XL, medium, line height, PC, inch, color, font color, you can select here. For example, I select red color. Next is font weight. If you want bold, click on this. You can see the preview. Font style, italic, normal. If you select italic, case, there are lowercase, uppercase, capitalized, inherited. We select uppercase. You can see your text in uppercase. Some additional settings, overline, see this, line through, okay, line between the text, underline, blinking means blink, text is blinking. You can see in preview or none. We just select underline. Okay. Now background. If you want to give a background color, you can give it from here. Okay. Some border. If you want to give specific border, solid, dotted, there are so many options. Width of border and color of border you can set from here. There is no need to set in box, list and URL. First is a general. When you click on general tab, you can see all settings of your tab here. Code for your CSS you can see here. Okay, our one tag H1 you can see under the internal style sheet command. Now okay. Now when you write you can see here your setting. As per your setting you can see the output. Here we select heading tag and when we write we can see the setting. This is our CSS style sheet and this CSS button you can see on composition toolbar. Now same thing CSS for H2 tag. First click on CSS, then click on this CSS again. You can now see this CSS style sheet dialog box. Here is a cursor. You can select your tag. For example, I select H2 tag from here. Now one time we apply same command for H1 tag. Now create style rule. Okay, now you can see internal style sheet H1 and H2. You can see two tag. First is a general, second is a text. Now this time we use custom font family. Okay, you can select I select Algerian. Font size medium, line height, color, font color you can take here. Okay, now font weight normal, font style italic, case capitalize or take a lower case. Now overline, no overline, no underline, blinking. Background color you can take picture as a background. Now border dotted, width thin, and color you can also give the color of border. Okay, now you can click on general. You can see all setting in this dialog box. Now click on OK. Now select H2 for see the result. Now you can see for H2 you can see this is a blinking line and also a border line. Now select here H1, so you can see the effect for H1. Okay, now you can see the source. See this source, this This is h1 tag style text.css. All the coding you can see here. This is for h2 tag in source option. Okay, now again click on design and CSS button situated on composition toolbar. One time you give this setting, when we use this h1 h2 tag, you can see same setting. If you want to change, you can change from here also, from this coding file.